Hello. So we're going to do something a little bit different today on the channel. This is something I've been thinking about doing for a while, and I don't know if I talked myself out of it or I just didn't get around to it, but it's something I want to do going forward, which is not going to take away from the regular videos we do. It's not going to stop us from our other, right now, 2 weekly videos we do. But I wanted to do something that was a little kind of highly produced, we'll call it. I come from the film and television world, which is, you just want to make things look good and sound good and all that kind of stuff. Lots of editing, graphics, and music and all that kind of stuff. But I think what I'm doing on the channel a lot is really trying to make content that you all want, which is still what this is going to be. But I wanted to give myself an opportunity just to really get into things that are on my mind that might not have like a super clear focus, but it's stuff that's going on with me, within the plant-based community, people of my age. I don't know, it's going to be kind of a mixed bag. So maybe this isn't the kind of thing that's interesting for you or the kind of thing that you're going to want to show up for on a regular basis, but it's something that I just want to try out because I'm all about exploring here on the channel. And I'm going to try to do it outside as much as I can as well, even though I know that's going to sometimes create sound issues. There's someone like down the street that's doing some sawing. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Velma's over here destroying the backyard. Hi, Velma. How you doing? Yeah, you're looking guilty, aren't you? As you were. Go ahead. So I just kind of want to make it unedited. I'm not going to even let myself edit these things, even like the awkward pauses out of it. So if you've got topics you want me to kind of cover on this and just talk off the cuff about, throw them in the comments down below and I'll definitely consider it. I know there's been a lot of times when I'll get an email from one of you or a comment from one of you, and I'll kind of put it away and save it for when I'm doing like a mailbag type video. But there's sometimes I just really want to get into it right away. And that's what this is for. It's to give me like a weekly forum to just get into the stuff that I really, really want to talk about here on the channel. Because, I don't know, it's just something that I think might be interesting for all of you to just go through my thought process and also not force me to just overthink things and allow myself to just know that like what's going on in my brain is enough. I don't know about you all, but I struggle with perfectionism. I struggle with, did I say the right thing? Did I pronounce it properly? Which I have an issue with. I don't think I'm diagnosed in this by any means. And when I say I don't think, I know that I'm not. But I think I have something called aphasia, which is when you just say the wrong word, your brain gives you the wrong word to say. And when I was looking it up, it says it's mostly caused by people that have like brain injuries. I've never been hit in the head, as far as I know. But I do that, and I try to edit around that and correct that. But I appreciate all of you for also correcting me in the comments down below. And sometimes I do get better at it. Velma is really going to town. Do any of you have a dog that just digs and digs and digs? What we're doing now is we're training her to just dig in that spot, because that's what I read up on. I read that if you have a dog that likes to dig, you can't really train them out of that. But what you can do is you can train them where to dig. Hey, sweetie. So I didn't really have a specific topic to go into today. I guess I just wanted to talk about kind of the focus of this channel going forward, which is, not that we're going to move away from all the stuff we do. We still have, I think I have like 200 recommendations of cookbooks that you want me to cover, which realistically speaking, we do that kind of thing every 2 weeks on the channel, which is still quite a bit. And for now, we're going to keep up with that, but it really means we can only cover, 20 to 25 cookbooks a year max. And I'm also starting to cook from YouTube's videos. Like we've done Derek Simnet, we did Derek Sarno, we covered all the Dereks. And I kind of realized today that we've really been focusing on dudes, which I don't know why that happened. It just kind of became a thing. So I'm going to make a more conscious effort in the upcoming ones we do to, focus on some of the wonderful lady content creators out there. people like Plant Wise, I know you've mentioned. Amy, Broccoli Mom, obviously she's on the list. Tasty, Thriftly, Timely, our friend Catherine over there, and just a lot of other great people that you've all mentioned. And when you mention them, I do put them inside of a list on my computer, and I think there's like 50 of those on there too. So it's really, it's for me, it's about finding a balance of the different kinds of videos we do that are interesting for me, that I think you want to see, that are, trying to cover things that are topical and timely and whatnot. But doing this is going to be able to help me just cover more things that are just on my mind, that if I go to my list on YouTube, I go, well, I won't be able to get to that topic for a couple weeks or a month because I have all these other videos planned, which is something I had to do. Oh, there's a plane coming. Hopefully that's not ruining the audio. I kind of have to keep a schedule just to keep track of it all, because I also battle with some form of ADHD that's also not diagnosed. I got some issues, people. That is stuff that I don't get proper diagnosis. I just go on the internet and I do quizzes and I listen to what they tell me. So what was I talking about? I was talking about how we do things here on YouTube. Yeah, so I do a lot of just scheduling based on, I have an app called Motion, which is great, and it lets me plug in the things. And all the videos have like a similar kind of workflow. And it just kind of lets me have a bit of a schedule that I can also let be flexible. But it also means I just have to plan the content for the channel, a couple weeks, if not a couple months in advance, depending on the videos we're working on, just so I have a bit of a flow to it. And I'm also like anal retentive. So for me, I'm like, well, I should have this kind of video every 2 weeks. I should do this at this stage and whatnot. And I'm trying to free myself of that as well. But also, we just experiment on the channel, and I try to do things that I think you're going to be interested in, and then we look and see, how many views did it get, how many comments did it get, was it something that seemed interesting to the community, and just based on how YouTube works as well, we try to make a mix of content that might bring in new people that are interested in this way of living, but also people that have been around for a while too. We want to do stuff that's just directly, specifically for all of you. So we try to create a nice little mixed bag of content here. So yeah, so this one's just really about how we roll and what's coming up. And I don't know what I'm going to talk about on here. I might just pick a topic like fat intake, which is a bit controversial for some people. I'm working on a project with some other people right now where we're talking about that, and we have different opinions on whether even like really healthy whole food plant-based fats are good to have or not, and how much to have. And so that's something I constantly navigate with. But yeah, and I think the worry that I always have when I go into these kind of conversations, when I'm talking about anything that's even remotely health related, is I have that imposter syndrome as well, where I'm like, well, I'm not a doctor. I have like some, internet nutritional certificates and whatnot, nothing official. But I put in my 10,000 hours in terms of learning about all of this kind of stuff and whatnot. So, I always just want to make sure it's clear as well that this is just me. This is just my opinions, but you should always seek medical advice and whatnot. So I hope that's clear. I'm really going on a tangent here, aren't I? But I want to get used to this. So I'm just, allow me that space to just rant and roll. But, the idea with here is that it's just going to be this. It's just going to be me chatting, pouring my heart out, stream of thoughts, not allowing myself to correct, not cutting in the middle for a sponsored content, just being us. And I probably won't do it in the backyard because Velma she doesn't need more time to destroy it. Look at her going. You're just letting it rip. I think you can see her. It's hard to tell because it's sunny out here. You having fun, baby? Yeah? Yeah, this also just gives me an excuse to go outside because all of our content is indoors, mostly, right? And so it just allows us to go out and touch grass. Another plane is going over, I think. So I might, explore some nearby parks. When we're at the farm, I'll do some there. If I'm traveling around, yeah, I'm looking forward to this. So let me know what you think. And if this is kind of the format that is interesting for you, I'm going to try doing it for a while and see if I enjoy it, see if you enjoy it, see if it's something that's worthwhile doing in the channel. So if you like it, let me know in the comments down below. It's going to be a different kind of format. I'm not going to throw in the shout outs, although every now and then I might shout out somebody if you've inspired a video for this kind of format. But yeah, the plan is to get these out on Monday, maybe Monday mornings. I don't know. You know because you saw what time this came out. But typically we put the content up at noon, so that way it works for multiple time zones and whatnot. So yeah, let me know what you're thinking. Obviously, if you're new to this channel and this is the first video you watched, wow, hit the subscribe button so you can get more ramblings like this. And obviously, comment down below, let us know what you're thinking. And since you're still watching to the bitter end here, YouTube does have this video right here that they want you to watch next. It's probably a lot more polished than this one because this is literally the first time I've done something like this here on the channel. Thanks for sticking it through.